Hello, now I would like to introduce you my point of view and mine review DeLonghi Magnifica S, a coffee machine. Well, it is about the instruction and the general use a video. That's how it looks like. All machine looks like that. The main switch, of course, you need to plug it in. The main switch for it is on the back, is there. So when I switch it in a second, all lights goes on like that. And I need a few seconds to start up. And that's it. For the next thing is just to press this button. As you can see, the machine is shown there is no water in a side container. Here's the side container for the water, maximum level. It may need, or it should need, it's depend of the usage, a filter. In there, it's going a filter. I'm using a filtered water, so I don't have a filter in it. But if you're just using a tap, normal water, you may need a filter to clear your water. Yeah. So what else? Maybe some technical issues. All you will find in the instruction, but this video is to my point of view about this instruction. So let's start from the top. Maybe let's start from the top. Here is the container to fill it with the grain coffee, beans coffee in there. Here you can choose how much grained. It is fine or thick. It has to be grinded. Or if you don't have a coffee in the beans, you can use the coffee already grinded in there. Just the 1 spoon. And how to set it now? If you have already grinded coffee and you put it 1 spoon in there, you have to put that turn in this position, maximum to the left. Then the machine knows it's not gonna be using a grinder, just use that coffee from here. But if you use the coffee in the beans, and that container in here is full, you are choosing with that button from the minimum to maximum strength of the coffee. So that simply as that. Yes, so switch on the machine. It's eco mode for now. It has also steam power on the side, so you can steam your milk, water, or it is for the hot water. It could be disassembly for the cleaning. Yeah, just simply as that. Here you go. Yeah, just to switch it, you just turn it on. I don't know if that will start work without the water now. No, it doesn't. So it has a nice sensor which is telling the machine there is no water in the container. If there is a water in container, just switch it on. Wait a few seconds until that LED light stop flashing. That means the water is hot and the steam starts coming through. Yeah. Well, steam will come through that if you turn this button. It doesn't work like that because there is no water. Turn this button, then it's flashing. There's this and this LED. Maybe I will show you this in a second. I will just pause the video, fill the container, and I'll show you how it works. Here you go. I have filled the container. I will put it in. There you go. Let's see. The machine start work. I will put the glass in there because every single time when it's starting or finishing working and you switch it off, of course it will switch off automatically after certain of time, couple of minutes, probably a couple dozen minutes. When I turn it on, it will probably start cleaning itself using this water. Let's try the water level. It's heating water. And what it does when it hits the water. It's just a couple of seconds. Here you go. And now it cleans it itself. I'm using the glass in here because I don't want to dirt that container on the bottom. Of course the water could go into this container, which is, I'll show you in a minute how this looks inside. It's just a container for catch this water, and it has a button to show you it is full on or not. Here you go. And now it's ready to use. If I would have a grain, I would turn on the coffee maker and it will start making coffee. But how to make the steam? Because now on that button, here you go, when I turn this, that will give only hot water. That's giving only hot water. If I would like to steam in here, I need to press this button. And now, as you can see, that LED is flashing. And it's heating up the water to make the steam. When it stopped flashing now. It's ready to use now. So now, when I turn this, I'm gonna put this water out. When I turn this, only steam will be coming through. And that's it. That will switch off automatically after a few seconds. You don't have to touch anything, but you can just turn it off by yourself manually, pressing that button, and that's it. So that's you can steam your milk, water, or just use it for the tea or fill up the extra level of the water in your coffee. It has two buttons for the small coffee. This side, left side, it's how it is called? Small espresso, double espresso, small coffee, large coffee, or double coffee. Yeah, that's simply how it is. And now, of course, it's not gonna be working because it's clean now, ready to go. But I will show you what it shows when it's not gonna be grains in here, because it has sensors and so on. So when I just touch the button, no coffee, no grains. So that's how it looks like. So now I need to fill up with the grains. Could take off this container. Of course it is clear now, nothing in there. And just reseat that. Everything will go back to normal, to the standard position, starting position. Yeah, but yeah, what is more inside in it? Here is mine containers. In there is going that grained and used coffee. When it's filled, it shows you it is filled, it is full. So you need to just empty it. In there, it's going the water. Here is the button to show you it's going up and down, to show it is full. Yeah, in here is going a bit of the water of the steaming. When you're using it a much, it may fill, so you need to empty it as well. And on the side, the main part on the side is there. I need to replace that all things. And here I will turn it off on the bottom, on the back main switch. Now I'm gonna open it, and here is the main thing. Just press that 2 buttons, take it off, and clean it. And clean it. When you clean it, you don't have to clean it every single time, just after some time of use. But sometimes you may just use it this way. Can you see that? Yeah, the machine is operate that. But when you're gonna be put it this part inside, that things has to be in this position, because it will not fit into that machine. When it's gonna be in this position, just nicely fitted it in, just press it, and that's it. And sometimes when you turn it off and it still will be working, that part will be in different position. It can be like that. Just let the machines working to the finished and stay in this position every single time. Same before you put your coffee in that container. Wait until the machine do the things, stopped, and then continue what you have to do. And that's generally everything what I have to say. After some times, this button start flashing. That means that the machines need a cleaning. There is a special segment in the descaling. It is called descaling. Yeah, it is all about this in here. But it's easy, simple. Just when it starts flashing, turn your machine, wait until be ready to use, then take off that nozzle on the side, put the 1.5 liter container on the side, because it's gonna be cleaning. Fill your water container with the descaling product mixed up to this level, not the maximum, up to this level. Slide it in, press that button, flashing one, for 5 seconds, and the machine do the rest. When it finish, just take off the container, fill it with the clear water, let it drain with the clear water. Same again, it will start working automatically. You don't have to press anything. And when it finish, that red button stop flashing, and the machine is clean and ready to use. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just ask, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.